Okay, you guys, there's more cornbread. Wow. Look at that. Look like a cake, don't it? Mm-hmm. Look good. So I said I was going to come back and show you guys how my cornbread turned out. Mm-hmm. Wow. I took those secrets and I put them in a book for every hungry soul who's brave enough to cook. You know, because I usually don't make no honeycomb bread. I want it because I put that honey. That's why it turned out kind of golden brown. And which that's a good thing. All right, so I'm out of here, and I am Mr. Digging. Ta-ta. Hope you guys like. Hope you guys watch to the end on my dinner. All right, until then, I'll see you guys in this little video. Bye-bye. Okay, go ahead and make my cornbread. That's the best for all. Use 1/3 of a cup, 1 egg, 2/3 a cup of milk. So, a bright morning star when you stir the pot and the aroma starts to rise. I hope you see the magic through your family's eyes. It's more than just soul food on a plate. It's the kindness we give and the joy we create to the ones who support it. And my egg. Every page. Mess it up. Oops. No, I can't do that with holding the phone and the thing. Like, really? Okay, so what I'm really making is the honeycomb bread. I'm going to use this kind of honey. The pure honey. And just a little bit, not too much. Not like that. That should be clean enough. And this is my cornbread. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my pans and bake it. And this is my dinner, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is my cornbread. Just put it in the pan. And again, that's finished. And my dinner is ready. And there's my bean. It is ready, Freddy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, remember that? If you guys keep watching this video, I had put 2 jalapenos. They don't work before. Wow. I have cooked this 15 bean soup in a minute. I love it. You just got to know how to cook it. You know what I'm saying? But it is ready. Look, 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 look. Look at that. Look. It just broke apart, man. Oh my God. See that green chili? Yeah. But wow. Look at that. Look, look. Look. Ooh-wee. Now that's some good eating. So this part right here is going to be my first entry. You know. Because usually I show you guys my plate. But you can just put this in a bowl. Sometimes I usually cook it with rice, but I'm not gonna cook no rice. But this is it. This is gonna be my first entry. And again, like I said, you have to keep watching the video if you guys want to show you guys how I put everything together with the bean soup. All right, until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Look at that. Look, 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 look. Good, good. And then I'm just going to keep it warm in this because I already got it cut out. All right. And I'm pretty sure you guys know how cornbread look
when you get out the oven. I might do one little quick to show you guys how my cornbread turned out. Okay. Until then, bye bye. I just hope you guys just watch this video to the end. Okay? And then again, like I said, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, share with your friends and family. To show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and use the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and a blessed week. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. That's my 15 beans. My dinner is ready. Alright, bye-bye. I got a good flavor to it. This right here really got a good flavor. I like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up. It's together. And that's it. So I'm finished. Oh, you know what? This might be done. So I forgot I had see one of the things. Because I forgot I had cooked the meat about 30 minutes in my air fryer. Oh, wow. Yep. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Stir it in. And put the seasoning. Okay, so this is my paprika, black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Stir it up. The last season. Okay, guys, so this is the season that I'm using. Because it definitely needs some salt. So each season that you see, you're going to use special salt, 1 teaspoon, and maybe about a tablespoon of black pepper, onion powder, paprika, garlic powder. And this is my first time using this. I heard about this. You know, said it's really good season. And I'm just going to use 1 package of this and some fresh garlic. Yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have put my seeds in there. I'll just show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is how much garlic I'm gonna put in.
In there too, because a lot of the true Mexicans would use their mother's maiden name as their last name too. Hispanics do that. They'll use their mother's maiden name.
From the red dirt road.
So my meat been in the air fryer for 30 minutes. So now I'm just go ahead and put in my beans. Oh, that thing look good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and push it down into the water.
and I put them in a book.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push it down in the water. And actually, you guys, this is all I'm cooking. The last thing I'm cooking is my cornbread. Yes, yes, yes. Easy, easy dinner. I guarantee. And the only reason I didn't add no salt and pepper because this meat got flavor to it. And then at the last, you just taste to make sure that you know it don't need salt and black pepper. That's why I didn't put no salt and black pepper in. So that's how it looks. Alrighty, I'll see you guys when my dinner get ready. And this is my dinner, along with the cornbread.
Thank you for sharing the story I've told in flavors of silver, in spices of gold, from Deirdre's kitchen to wherever you are.
Okay, you guys, so I washed my meat out. So I'm not gonna cook it too long because it's gonna go in my beans. Okay, you guys, I forgot to put my onion. I like to put some onion on the bottom with my beans. So yeah, just want to come back to show you guys that. And I'm not really gonna put no salt and black pepper, not yet. You know what I'm saying? Because these beans gonna have a lot of flavor to them. Alright, I just want to come back to show you guys that. Okay, I'll show you guys. Put some onion on top. That just, when I did that, this is just one whole onion, some at the bottom, some at the top. And I like to put, what I like to do is I like to cut it. See how I do it, but not just, you know, all the way. Alright, so now I'm putting my water and I'm going to let it cook. So you guys, what you want to do, you want to fill the water, you know, cover over the beans. And just put the top on it, let it cook right away. You don't have to even, I like cooking with crock pot because you don't have to watch, you know, watch while it's cooking. You guys, this smells so good while it's cooking in my air fryer. Oh my God. Alright, see you guys in the next clip.
And keep sharing the light from my home to yours. Sleep well tonight from my home to yours.
Hello you guys. Hello you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. This is what I'm cooking for dinner. I don't know if you guys ever cook this, but I done cooked this so many times. I think I got some on my cooking channel that I cook. I'm not for sure, but this is what they call 15 bean soup. So this is the main dish that I'm gonna cook for dinner. And I've been soaking my beans overnight. And I need to, you know, look. That's how it looks. See? It's called a 15 bean soup. Just showing you guys some of the beans. Yeah. And I'm gonna wash this, even though this been soaking overnight, I'm still gonna wash about 2 or 3 times. You know, look pretty clear because I did change my water. You know, but yeah, but that's how it looks. And the kind of meat I'm gonna use. This is the kind of meat I'm gonna use. And that's it. And then I'm gonna probably cut up me an onion. It's real simple and easy and stuff. But that's the kind of meat I'm using.
From my home to yours, with a heart full of pride.
Y'all see that?
Keep the fire burning with the love deep
And then
inside.
I'm gonna cook this in my crock pot.
For living
Yes.
the good life
Alright, so this is the, and I'm probably gonna make me some cornbread on the side.
to light up the
Yeah.
way.
Yep.
Thank you for sharing the story I've told in flavors of silver, in spices of gold.
That's it, you guys. And what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna put this in my air fryer. You know, kind of get it started when I put it in the crock pot. You know, but you have to wash this meat. That's very important. Okay? You have to excuse the noise in the background. We're getting to do this. So if you hear that noise, that's what they're doing in our backyard.
And the joy we create to the ones who support it and bought every page. You
So
help
right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my meat, and then I'm gonna put in, you know, once I wash my meat again, but you'll see how I do it. Okay. So this is the first clip on my dinner. Okay, so I put my beans in my crock pot. We're shy about that, you guys.